Guys, Silver Buyer here. Gonna do some unpackagings. I'll probably just do them separately. So we'll start out with this one. I just got a vintage Engelhard or Johnson Matthey 1 ounce bar. I got Engelhard on my brain for some reason. So I pick these up when I can get them for a good price because I like the vintage bars, and my father likes them also. So I give these to him over the new Sunshine Minting Johnson Matthey bars. Just a little eBay pickup, and let's see. I'll throw in another unpackaging into this too. I got this one on eBay as well, from a Canadian seller. I think that's why I got a good price on it, because sometimes people don't want to wait for shipping from Canada or something. There's another vintage Johnson Matthey TD Bank. It's a limited edition TD Bank. Now I forget what the heck the TD stands for. It's Toronto something. Yeah, I can't remember what the D stands for. I'll remember it, of course, after I end this video. But yeah, a couple cool vintage Johnson Matthey bars. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.